The 2025 ARCH KRGT-1 is a masterpiece of engineering and design, offering a blend of performance, luxury, and exclusivity that sets it apart in the world of motorcycles. Crafted by ARCH Motorcycle, a company co-founded by Hollywood actor Keanu Reeves and custom bike designer Gard Hollinger, the KRGT-1 is a high-performance cruiser built for discerning riders who value both style and substance. Powered by a massive 2032 CCS and SV twin engine, the KRGT-1 delivers exceptional power and torque, making it a thrilling machine to ride. The engine is tuned for smooth performance, providing a seamless blend of raw power and refined control. It produces over 120 horsepower, ensuring an exhilarating riding experience on both highways and winding roads. One of the standout features of the KRGT-1 is its bespoke nature. Every bike is custom-built to suit the rider's preferences, making it a truly personalized experience. From the handlebars to the seat, every component is tailored for comfort and functionality, ensuring that the motorcycle is as unique as its owner. This level of customization is a hallmark of ARCH Motorcycle, reflecting their commitment to delivering a premium product. The design of the KRGT-1 is both aggressive and elegant, showcasing a perfect balance of form and function. Its frame combines steel and billet aluminum, providing strength and stability without compromising on weight. The carbon fiber bodywork adds a touch of modern sophistication while keeping the bike lightweight. The attention to detail in the craftsmanship is evident in every curve and component, making the KRGT-1 a true work of art. Advanced technology is integrated seamlessly into the KRGT-1, enhancing the overall riding experience. It features high-performance Öhlins suspension, which is fully adjustable to suit different riding styles and terrains. The Brembo brakes ensure precise stopping power, providing confidence and safety at high speeds. The ergonomic design, coupled with a comfortable seat and foot placement, makes it ideal for long rides. The sound of the KRGT-1 is another element that captures attention. Its custom exhaust system produces a deep, throaty roar that adds to its commanding presence on the road. This auditory experience, combined with its stunning visuals, makes the KRGT-1 a motorcycle that turns heads wherever it goes. With a price tag exceeding $85,000, the KRGT-1 is undoubtedly a luxury item. However, its exclusivity and the unparalleled riding experience it offers justify the investment for those who can afford it. It is not just a motorcycle but a statement of individuality and craftsmanship. The 2025 ARCH KRGT-1 is a bike that caters to enthusiasts who value high performance, bespoke design, and cutting-edge technology. It is a motorcycle that combines the thrill of riding with the satisfaction of owning a machine that is truly one of a kind. From its powerful engine to its meticulous design, the KRGT-1 represents the pinnacle of modern motorcycle engineering. If you enjoyed this review and want to see more content about luxury and high-performance motorcycles, make sure to like this video and subscribe to the channel. Your support helps us bring you the best reviews, specs, and features of the most exciting bikes in the world.